Welcome back. I'll continue the next topic today. Today I want to discuss about one important command, expr command. Before going to expr command, in the last class, what I am telling that in the last class is was completed conditional statements, if statement, simple if statement, and if else statement, LEF statement, and also case statement, switch case statements also completed. Now in this class we will discuss about expr command. Expr means expression. So in the C programming and the Java program, we are writing the expressions directly. So suppose we are writing y is equal to x plus z, like that. This is an expression we are writing directly. So y is a variable, x is a variable, z is a variable. We are writing directly in the C or Java program. But here in the shell programming, we will not write this kind of format. It will follow one kind of format. So here we can use the expr command. So if you are writing any expressions, use this command. So without expr command, we can't execute any expressions in the shell program. Here expr command is executing the each and every expression. Okay, mathematical expressions, regular expressions, whatever the steps we are executing based on expr command. Here you can see that expr command. So in the expr command is using to Unix evaluation given for the expressions. So in the mathematical expressions, more mathematical expressions we are executing in the programs. So expr command we can use it. Okay, expressions, and also display corresponding output for the particular expression. Okay, so we will write the expr expression, so it will be display the corresponding output for the particular expression. So we can use that expr command. The basic operations like addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation, division operation, modulus operation, and integers, we can give the more number of integer numbers. Okay, all these things are done in the using expression evaluation. Okay, we are writing each and every mathematical steps are using in the expressions, right? So all the expressions are based on, we are using these are all kind of operations, either addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation, division operation, modulus, or some other operations we are using to evaluate the each and every expression. Okay, so not only these kind of operations, we are also using the regular expressions. Okay, so not only mathematical expressions, we are following the regular expressions also, and also string operations. So string operations also we can use the expr command. So we can calculate string length, we can calculate the string size. Okay, so we can calculate all these expressions also using in the expr command. We can see that examples. So it is very important command using to evaluate the each and every expression output. Okay, so here, so this is the syntax we will follow. Here expr space expression operations, expression, expr space expression we are writing. So suppose $expr just a space we are giving x plus y, or 10 plus 20 in this place we are writing. Suppose if you use that variables, before variable we are using the dollar symbol, right? In the programs we will use that expr space $x plus $y. We are giving the input as a x 10 value, we are giving the input as a y value 20. So both 10 plus 20 we are getting the 30 is the value. Okay, so this is the expression evaluation. Okay, so here a version we can use it. So all versions are working. We can use that expr command. So this is the expr space. If you write that version number, if you write that version number, if you want a version number, so just write the version number. Okay, so see here the examples using expr for basic arithmetic operations. This is the small program. So just how we are executing the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. So expr space $, expr space just we are writing the addition operation here. 12 plus 8 we are getting the 12 plus 8 20, we are getting 20 is the answer. Okay, so after EXPR space 12 plus 8, after enter, it will display the 20 is the answer. It will display the 20 is the answer. Suppose multiplication operation, here one important thing is, so we know that already in the multiplication operation we can use the star symbol, but here not working properly because of in the star symbol is a asterisk symbol, so meta character, it is a meta character. So in the meta character meaning is, so star symbol meaning is in the meta characters, so one or more files we are getting, we will use the asterisk symbol. But here not directly writing the star symbol, before the star symbol we put the slash, we put the slash symbol, otherwise the multiplication is not working. Okay, so we must use the star, before star we must use the slash symbol. Okay, so we are getting the output. Okay, EXPR 12 multiply 2, so total 24 is we are getting the answer. Okay, 2 12s are 24. Like that all multiplication, division, subtraction, whatever the operation we are doing in the same manner. So here just we will change the operator only. Only multiplication operation we will use the, before star symbol we will use the slash. Okay, remaining all are directly we can use the operators. Okay, whatever the operator we can use it, we will get the output. Okay, so but we must use the EXPR. It is a very useful command using in the mathematical expressions. So here the small letters, EXPR is the small letters. So here one note is there, the multiplication operator, here multiplication operator is what? Star, must be escaped when used in the arithmetic expression within the EXPR. Okay, so here we can use it. Okay, so this kind of symbol we are representing, then only we will get the multiplication operation. Otherwise it will take as a meta character. Okay, so this is the small example. So in the terminal we are typing EXPR space 12 plus 8. What is the output we are getting? 20. EXPR space 12. Actually we are writing multiply. Okay, so we are writing the multiply symbol. So just we get the 24. But here this slash symbol is not there, so we will not get the output because of this maybe expression syntax. Okay, so why it is expression syntax means, so it will take as a meta character. So we must use the slash symbol after star symbol, we are getting the multiplication output. So what is the multiplication of 12 multiplied to 24? Suppose EXPR 12 modulus 2, we are getting some output. Okay, so EXPR 12 division 2. So like that we are writing more expressions in the EXPR command using. Okay, so this is the small command we are using in the shell program. Okay, each and every logic we are writing based on the expressions. That's why this EXPR command is very useful. Next, coming to the small program, shell script. Here it is a small program. Already I told variable explanation. So just the small programs. These are add two numbers. So here how to get the string output. Okay, so we can calculate the string length. So here x is equal to Greeks. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. Okay, so length is equal to EXPR. Here how it is using single quotations we are writing the expression. Otherwise we will not get the output. In the programs, we must use the single quotations. Otherwise this is not a expression. Okay, so EXPR space length we can calculate $x. So $x means this is the length. So what we are getting the output? 5 we are getting, 5 letters we are getting the output. So this is the simple application using EXPR command. We can calculate the length also. Okay, so here So here also we can use if condition. You can get either positive number or negative number. How we are getting? Enter a number, read x. So we are getting $x greater than 0, then only the number is positive. $x less than 0, it is not a positive number. Like that, it is a small program. So this kind of programs are using in the expr command. So you can see that this one also even number and odd number. Okay, now these are the arguments you can pass. Okay, so thank you. You can discuss later.